How to complete the DP Tiempo homework 1. Okay, it says you and several Spanish-speaking exchange students are discussing the weather of your home countries. For part A, they want you to fill in the chart with the missing information for the area in which you live. So here you have meses. If you've forgotten, you can look over. Meses means months. So here you're going to be saying the different months, right? It gives you some, you have to fill in the rest. And then they go together. So the months of what season? Estación. Diciembre, enero, and another one are the months of what estación? You'd put that in there. And then over here, you're going to say the type of weather. So in December, I know that that's winter. And so I'm going to write that in Spanish. And then the weather in winter, we have a lot that we could use. Maybe you want to say it's cold or it's snowing or it's going to snow or something like that. So you're going to do that for all of these. And then below in part B, it says complete the dialogues with the information from the chart. So here, the question you have to read through. This first one says, ¿Qué tiempo hace en julio? So if I look on my notes page, I know that ¿Qué tiempo hace means what is the weather? And then en julio, I know that that means in July. So what is the weather in July? Think about it. It's probably hot. It's probably nice out. So you can choose anything like that. Hace buen tiempo or something like that. So go through and read these questions, use this, and get this filled in. Bueno.